Like Allama Iqbal's honorary qabr is on that side. Any of you who do not know the reason why this qabr, honorary qabr, is here, because Allama Iqbal's poetry. If you're curious about authentic Turkey, come and explore Southeast Turkey with us, where we'll be exploring food, culture, people, religion, lifestyles, and ancient cities. We will be taking you to Şanlıurfa, Mardin, food of Gaziantep, city of Rumi and city of prophets, Adana kebab in Adana. Come and join us in our 17-day trip to Southeast Turkey. Guys, I'm devastated. You know, like Allama Iqbal's honorary qabr is on that side, all the way on that side, which we've already seen once, but I really wanted to see it. But I can't just go there. It's under restoration. I'm not gonna let anybody in. So it's all closed out. You see, all that area is closed out.
That's a hummingbird, and its wings flap like a million times a second.
No way.
It does.
No
It's
way.
a tiny little bird that sucks from the nectar from the plants. Isn't it so cute? It's a bird. It's a bird, Mum. I don't know why it's not like scared of us right
I
now.
thought it's an insect.
It's just here. यहाँ पे ही है बस. वो है एंड पे. वो जहाँ पे स्कैफोल्डिंग ख़त्म हो रही है ना, उसके पास है अल्लामा इकबाल की ऑनररी कबर, and we just unfortunately cannot go. So guys, I got this. I found this little spot where I could actually stand and just make a bit of video of Allama Muhammad Iqbal, what we know him to be. But in Turkey, they know him as Muhammad Iqbal, the national poet of Pakistan. So there it is, and it's just an honorary grave of Allama Iqbal in Konya. The grave of the Maulana is under the green dome, and the entrance is on the other side. Allama Iqbal. Actually, you enter it from the other side usually, but it's closed at the moment. So there it is. Any of you who do not know the reason why this qabr, honorary qabr, is here, because Allama Iqbal's poetry was very much influenced by Maulana Rumi's poetry, because he was so much in love with Maulana Rumi, and the Turkish people really loved him too. And in his honor, they made this honorary grave for Allama Muhammad Iqbal, which is a very हमारे लिए बड़ी एजाज़ की बात है. I am quite glad that this morning we are just leaving, and I just wanted to come in just to have another salam to Rumi, and I just wanted to see if I could get a glimpse of Iqbal's qabr. So there it is, guys. Alhamdulillah, I did it, and inshallah one day when we come, we will find the qabr open so we can actually visit it properly. नेक जो राहों से रह पे चलाना मुझको, मेरे अल्लाह बुराई से बचाना मुझको, नेक जो राहों से रह पे चलाना. Thank you very much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe for more from Southeast Turkey and Uzbekistan coming soon.